There's also an old feature inside of Microsoft Windows 11 called Windows Speech Recognition. So to access that out, you can go around onto the Start menu and type in Windows Speech right here. So once you do that, Windows Speech Recognition actually pops up, as you can see. So this is an application which is not based on internet connection, but it solely works right from your computer. So you can click on next right here and you can choose the type of microphone you have. So I'm just going to press other in my case and click on next right here. And what I need to do is, in order to set up the Windows speech recognition, I need to simply go around and read this. So I'm going to say, Peter dictates to his computer. He prefers it to typing and particularly prefers it to pen and paper. So I can go around and it says computer did not hear it clearly. So I'm just going to try again and it's ready to use. So over here, you can see that it says improve speech recognition accuracy. I'm just going to say enable right here, click on next, and I'm going to use manual activation. You can also enable voice activation if you wish to. So I'm going to press next right here and click on next right here and choose whether I want to run the speech recognition at startup or not. So I'm just going to disable that, press next right here and skip the tutorial over here. So over here, you can see the speech is here. So you can go around over here and then let's say I'm going to open up something like a notepad right here. I can go around and enable this out. So now speech recognition is listening to me, as you can see. So now as I speak, you can see that all of the things that I'm saying are being typed out onto this notepad. So it's perfect for dictating. But it is not actually perfect. So as you keep on speaking and so forth, you can see that it'll actually go around. So I'm just going to go around and try out dictating again. So this is a test for dictating contents. So you can see it says gardens instead of contents. So anyways, it is still learning right here. So you can go around over here. And then what you can do is you can say, listen to everything I say right here. You can see the dictation option right here. So to actually improve out dictation, you can go around over here and then go for configuration over here as well. So you can improve the voice recognition. You can click on this, click on next right here. So what you need to do now is you simply need to start speaking out right here. So it says, read the following text. I am now speaking to my computer. The computer is learning the sound of my voice as I speak. This will help the computer better recognize what I say. Speech recognition can recognize many speakers very accurately. So I'm just going to pause this out right here, and once you complete this out, what happens is that the speech recognition for you specifically will start improving, and whatever you dictate will be dictated out correctly. So that is how you can use the speech recognition option inside of Microsoft Windows 11. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.